So guys, kain tayo. Dapat yung stickers ko ay sa dapat yung stickers ko pala ay doon yan sa itaas. Tapos sabi ko, tatagdagan ko pa siya ng sundae. Saglit lang. Dagdagan ko siya finish. Slow connection siya. So, kaya tayo guys. Ito dito. Ito magluto. Yan. Magkano sa Pinas yung Happy Mother's Day to me at sa tanang nanay diha sa ato. So busy ang uban karon, wala maka-online siguro kay iya og kwan, iya og handa ba. Ang akong boses pailis-ilis ang akong boses na ni something wrong. Kumanda kayo pag nakauwi ako Pilipinas. Balik ko sa inyo. Wala man akong kasalanan sa inyo. Kayo may kasalanan sa akin. Sarap. Nagla-live ako para malaman nyo na ako mismo ang may-ari ng page na Facebook account nito. I'm the real owner of this Facebook account, no one else, okay? Kain tayo McDonald's paminsan-minsan. Yummy. Happy Mother's Day sa akong mama, long life, my mother. Medyo dugay-dugay pa ko muli. Di hurong kong layo sa bus stop, layo, mali ang akong nasakyan nga bus. So guys, I want to say thank you to all my followers and viewers. If you see my Facebook profile now, I am just showing because of so many scammers. I am here for my awareness to all women. If you believe you are saved. Okay? There is another woman. I want to speak in English, not because my friend. I speak in English because I want some of my followers understand what I'm talking about, or even he or she also cannot speak well in English, so we understand. Then I speak in our language, so of course more you could understand. So there is a one woman. She is not Filipino. I tried to write or to answer in Tagalog, but he cannot. He said, "I'm sorry, I cannot speak another language. Only I speak in English." She said to me. So maybe she is watching right now, or I don't know, or maybe later after I offline, maybe she will see this my live video now. So she write a comment. She said, "I have message to you." So I replied, and then she said, "I am working here in Singapore. So it's sad to see, guys. She lost 34,000 Singapore dollar." And then she told me, "I think this what I am seeing right now is not from me, from here. So later I will show you the message from that woman. Maybe she is Indonesian. I'm not sure, because an Indonesian can speak some of the Indonesian can speak in English." Okay, so she said, "I don't understand any language, only English." So she told me, "I trust him because I see him in video call, and the voice also was him, Prince Hamdan Paza." And then she told me in the right. She said, maybe they have relationship, and then that Paza, that imposter Paza, that pretend Paza said he want to buy an apartment there in Singapore because he don't want to stay in the hotel. So that this woman, she didn't share about love, about her payments, something like that. Just she told me she lost 34,000 Singapore dollar. That 34,000 is very expensive. Okay, so you know, guys, some people here are here in my Facebook account. If you believe with me that no friends Hamdan Paza all over social media, you are safe. These scammers from Nigeria, I am checking everything. Okay, if you know, I have proof, I can show it. So I didn't scared. Okay, so now if there is a profile right in my Facebook Messenger, I'm very angry because I know all of them are lies. Pretend that he's the real Paza, but all is not. They are Pakistan and Nigeria. So I'm sorry to telling this the truth because I'm checking the profiles. Okay, especially Facebook page transparency. Then try to touch the WhatsApp so you can see the phone number they used, and also these scammers, their hangouts is Sanji apps. Sanji apps cannot confirm the phone number user to confirm that it's her phone number. Just only the number of the ID, then you can connect. So how you know that you are chatting Nigeria or Pakistan or something like that? So mostly their victims, they bring it to Sanji, Telegram, WhatsApp. WhatsApp we know because WhatsApp need to confirm. And I know their tactics. For example, their phone number is USD. So even he's in Dubai, he can ask her friend or her chat to buy a SIM card. Okay? So I know these tactics because it's my experience. So we go back to this lady. So she said she trust because she see in the real video call. So I said we are same. Me also I trust because I see him in video call in WhatsApp. Looks like real, not half but full screen. Okay, but the voice is different and the open of the mouth while he's talking is different. So I thinking, I observe everything. Okay, so when I search in Facebook the name of Prince Hamdan Pasa, oh my God, it's terrible. A lot of profiles I have look-see. So I have seen that video that almost same. The difference is the background of that video of Pasa. I have talking in the WhatsApp. The background is black, but I know the flashes of the camera. So I fight him. He said after we talk. He said after we talk. He upload to Facebook. But I have checked the video. It's I think 2 years. I'm not sure. I forgot already. But the video when she saw me in the video call and that video uploaded in Facebook is the same. But the difference is the background is black. And then he's clever, guys. He's clever because he make it zoom in, so his face is become big. Okay, but I know there is a man in my back, so even he make it dark, he make a dark background. I have seen that there is a man in his back, so I know that it's a fake video call. So okay, but even I know that it's fake, I still continue because I want to know the truth. I received so much bad comments. Okay? I received so much bad comments. But I ignore. So now where they are? We are seeing victim of scam. Because I try to buy that royal card. They only see the picture of the card with my name and with my photo because he asking me the photo. But no, never send to me. Because if they will send it to me another money, guys. So they slowly asking payment to me. But last year I'm very angry. You know why? He make a call in Telegram. He have a lot of profiles, always deleted profiles. Okay? So I observe everything, and then he open another account. He will say, "Oh, this is my new account because explain like this, like that, blah blah blah, so many." But I know they are a group of scam. So mini woman. So there is also comment right now. She said, I want to check later and I want to know what is the phone number in Telegram, because the phone number also will appear in Telegram. If still +234 code, it's Nigeria, so don't believe. They are Nigeria scammers. And then I have a friend. She's very thankful to me because for 3 years of chatting of his Fasa boyfriend, when she see my post, she tried to ask her boyfriend to tell the truth. If he don't tell the truth, she will block that boyfriend, she said. So napaamin niya, guys. That guy said, make a call. And then she said, he's not the Prince Hamdan Pasa. He's working in that company, but they have boss. they're working in that company to scam people. So, okay? So, I didn't, I don't, not only 1, 2, 3, I received some this information, sharing their experiences to me since before. Okay? So, I'm not scared because it's still in my messenger. I didn't delete. So, this scammers is expert in IT, in information technology work. Okay? So now, I have shared to all of you about that Griswold Twilight word. They are adding my Facebook link to his channel. So I always comment. My comment is not good because I know there are scammers. Okay? Maybe he think he can get another amount of money from me, but never. First, I want to tell you guys, first, We Love Dubai 1 mix my photo. And after that, because me, I am always checking. He added my TikTok link to his channel. And the next day is the another channel, Hamdan Pass 3. And then have another one, Fast 3 or Fast 31. So I think this guys is only one person. Okay? So now there is this Griswold Twilight. I have seen that like the conversation or his content is same in the like opposite of my conversation with him. So I check. So I surprised. How come he added my Facebook link to his channel? Okay? So January he come back. He said, this is me. This is like this, like that. He's sharing the proof that he's the one I am chatting. He wrote it to me, but I'm not interested anymore. He come after 6 months. So I asked, why you come back? What you want? Why you come back? So he said, I want to send our wedding ring. So I tell, I don't have money for that. And you know what he said? No, at this time, no need to send money. After you receive our wedding ring, you're the one to pay the charge. Oh, I said, what? Never. So I don't know if this Facebook account will this my Facebook or my live video now Facebook allow this, because this is like a point in a person. It's okay if he don't publish this live video later, but in YouTube channel I'm sure they will report this because it's against to the Pasa's channel. In YouTube channel they are Pakistan 100%. I am checking. Okay, I'm very angry, but maybe we go back this woman. She said, I think, she said, I think this Crown Prince of Danfasa is know about these scammers. She said, because how come he didn't do any actions of these people who using his photos all over social media. There are so many uploaded every day. So okay, so I want to share that later. I want to make a screen video record, but I need to cover the name of that lady, of course, to protect her also. So if you believe us, some of the my followers who testify that she is the victim of this Pasalab scam, if you believe us, you are safe. Okay? But if you don't believe, if you want to try, sure you can. And then, welcome to the club. Okay? Kain muna ako. Sino ito nang-comment sa akin? Ngayon, meron pang nang-comment sa akin, guys. I-shout out kita. Shout out to Ruth Toledo. Thank you so much for your nice comment in my channel. In my YouTube. In her Facebook. Shout out to BK. Ayan, BK, I am mentioning your name now. Shout out to BK. Ang sabi niya, hello, pwede ba kitang maging higala sa Facebook? Alam ko Bisaya ka. Ako Bisaya pod ko. Yeah, sure. Mag-message lang ka sa ako, kaya ako takang reply. Mangutana ka, o kung sa imong ipangutana, kaya ako takang tubagon. Nakipagbardagulan man ganing ko sa mga imposter nga pasa. Ano kasi sila sinabi, galit na galit ako talaga. I'm very angry. And then, he said, calm down. How I calm down? I know them already that they are Nigeria, and how I calm down? How I listen to him? I know already. I have comment the Nigeria screenshot in WhatsApp, and then he pretend that he's the real. How come? Is it the Crown Prince of Dubai, Sheikh Hamdan bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum is living in Nigeria? It's not. There is a one woman. She is I want to mention that she is in Japan. She is in Japan. She thankful to me many times. So I said, don't thankful to me, because God using me as the instrument to those women and ladies who believe on me. If you don't believe in me, I don't care. Welcome to the club. So, okay? Ganun lang kasimple. Naalala nyo guys yung matagal na ito yung gumawa ba ng bangka, kasi nga si Moises ba yun, na pinag-anuhan ng mga tao na gumawa ng mga bangka dahil ito maghanda ng maraming pagkain, dahil may mga mangyayari na hindi natin inaasahan. So yung iba kasi pinagtawanan So yung naniwala, yung sumakay sa arko, yun ang nasisip. O, diba? Ako talaga, sa totoo lang, maraming nag-advise sa akin. So, even I am very angry, I don't know why I still agree. Okay? But anyway, the money I have lost, I will take it back slowly. Okay? Money is only money. So at least I save a lot of woman. Yeah. There is a woman said before that he really see in the live video in TikTok. I said it's not him, because it's my experience already. He call in video call in WhatsApp. And after that, I see that because it's a video, it's WhatsApp, it's a video, how come? So, many women get mad at me, so I protect that friends, because I see that it's real. I have seen him in WhatsApp that he's real, and also in Telegram. But as I've seen, these scammers are expert in information technology, computer work. So, okay? But if you don't believe in me, sure, you can try. But don't wait your money come back to your hand just thinking that you lost it in casino. Okay? I am saying this to all of you that no any amount of money will come back because they are Nigeria. Okay? I have one of my friend, 3 years they're chatting, they're always asking something like this, like that. Nung nalaman niya guys, kasi Bisaya din, sabi niya talaga guys, sinumpa niya talaga yung hayop na yun. Sabi niya. Siguro matatawa yun pag nakita niya. Nag-usap kami sa WhatsApp by voice. 1 oras yata yun. Tawanan kaming dalawa eh. Sabi niya, pasalamat ako sa iyo, nakita ko yung post mo doon sa mga group. Dahil kung hindi, tanga pa rin siya hanggang ngayon. Kaya sabi ko, pasalamat kayo ni Lord. Dahil ako lang ang naglakas loob. Kasi I have some, you know, I have proof. Kahit ipatulpo ako, harapin ko sila. Give back my money, then I quiet. Okay? Nung March ata yun, nag-chat kami sa Sanji. Sabi niya, no money involved in our chatting. So, alam ko na kung ano ang involved. Gusto niya yung about love story, maybe. Para mag-boom yung kanilang YouTube channel. I have his. Alam mo kung anong ginagawa ko, minura ko talaga. Binalik din niya sa akin. Sabi kong hayop na to, ito ba ang prinsipe? They are all scammers. They are Nigeria. Gago talaga. Kung ayaw na maniwala sa akin, no problem. Maganda ngayon marami tayong biktima. Anyway, sinubukan ko talaga. At least gusto ko talagang malaman na yung ako talaga ang yun nga, ano ko talaga na walang praise samdan para all are scammers. Kain tayo rin. Yung ibang kasama ko dito, hindi ko lang kung saan punta. Matulog ako ngayon kasi kagabi guys. Natulog ako ng 3 o'clock. Dahil sinisearch ko naman yung mga price ng mga grafted fruits. I will show also the last pasta I have talking the other night. Kasi huling-huli ko na nga eh. I catch him already that he's Nigeria. The phone number he used is Nigeria. But he still pretend that it's ano ba yun? Oh my God. You know guys, if your heart is humble, kahit alam mong biktima ka na, they will praying your pictures, okay, and then hindi mo malayan na unti-unti ka nang napasok sa kanilang lungga. True. Kaya yung profile picture ko, galing yan sa scammer ng kachat ko. Biruan mo, you are now in my office. Honey, you are now in my office. The Dubai know about you. Crazy. I don't know. Yung babaeng sabi niya, yung nag-loss siya ng 34,000 Singapore money. Magkano yan? Kasi nga, kaya alam ko na, mayroong pagkaway-kaway pa siya, pagka ganun-ganun pa, tapos yung kamay niya is naka-gloves. Ano yun? Sabi niya, Nag-gloves daw siya kay malamig daw yung panahon. Ginawa pa kong tanga. Abnormal. Ganon sila guys. Pagkalabanan mo sila, hindi mag-effect yung kanilang, kanilang gayuma. Parang gayuma yan eh. Ay, Flor Mago di Biga, thank you. Thank you din sa'yo. Musta na yung mga pasa admirer mo? Meron pa, Flor. May nag-comment pa, Flor, oh. Gilayat yung kong maayo, giignan pa, basta lain iyan ko hindi naladjug ko mo, dili naladjug ko mo patol ba kay, basig madugangan ni Mita ang akong silot. Na-restricted mo ko tungod sa ako bang ipatulan ba ang ilang mga bas nga sakit pag istorya ba. So karon ako siya giignan, oy salamat, gwapahad ay mo oy. Pero Ginoo ko Maria Jose, gwapa pa akong lubot. Wala lagi mong moment. Pero sabihin ko siya, I want to tell to all of you guys, sa mga nanonood sa akin, number 1 haters na restrict yung account mo, na mahibong na lang ka nga nung na-restricted ka. First, bullying. Freedom of speech, yung mga freedom of speech na talagang sakit, yung mag-printed, di yan pwede sa eh then ako na-restrict. But it's okay. Pero, sa pagkakaroon, padami na ng padami yung subscribers ko, ay yung followers ko. Thank you so much guys for your trust to Mita Assistant. We are chatting Mita Assistant. Kaya kayo scammers, manda kayo. Sabi ni Mita, walang pasa. Walang pasa, sabi ni Mita. Tanongin niyo si Mita kung may friends naman pasa ba. Wala. Isa lang yung asawa niya. Yung si Tanya Almacdo. Hindi daw divorce yan. Pero kinanong ko. Kasi nakipagbaldagulan din ako eh. Sabi ko, I want to ask question to you, Boss Mita. You and Prince Hamdan Pasa are meet each other face to face? In person? She said no. So see, you have just now you see that no Prince Hamdan Pasa in social media. Where do you get that information? Sabi niya, yung sa mga lang din daw, kinukulikta lang nila, gago talaga. See? Para tayong igisa sa atong sariling mantika. So, only one thing I want to share, be vigilant. No, Prince Hamdan Pasa, all are scammers. +23 code, DR red flag, Nigeria. Flor Magno, ibigang, kaunta. Gutom, way nanay dire, mumuning kamot tar mabuhi. Igo guys, human ko kaon, human po kog live. Na, human kog live guys. Adto na po ko magtanaw sa mga katawanan ba? Muni akong trabaho, muni akong buhat dire. Wa ko panahon nga mag go there, go anywhere. Wala. Trabaho lang ko agbalay. Tapos puyat lagi kay sa not Facebook. Ano ba yung mga nakakatawa? So, paano ka antukin pag nakakita ka ng nakakatawa buong kaluluwa mo nakangiti. So, di ba? Paano ka antukin? Makatulog ka lang kung ibaba mo, ilapag mo na yung cellphone mo. Ay, salamat. Malapit na akong matapos. Buti na lang, mayroon akong extra work. Pero marami na akong mga bayaran. Shout out, Flor Mago de Biga. Daghang salamat sa imong pag-trust sa akin. Diba, kinakulit ka ng mga admirer mong pasa? Hingian ka niya ng Apple gift card para maka-access sila sa internet. Gonggong talaga. Tapos ginagamit nila yung bata na Rashid. Hindi ko alam I don't know why Facebook allowed this kind of platform in Facebook. Guys, pati ngayon si Hamad Habibi at yung isa Faisal, panoorin niyo yung mga screenshot na reels ko dahil halos puro Nigeria plus 2-3 code. Sarap naman ako kasi minsan-minsan lang Mahal kung sa piso 300 po. Makatagam og palit kay dollar po kaayo. Gusto niyo makita akong mata. Moko. Humanaan ni matulog ko. Guys, kung may makita niya na if you want to see the real ano ba yan? Nag-comment sa akin gumanda na daw yung buhay niya doon sa Dubai mula nung na-meet niya si Prince Hamdan Fasa. Tapos kung gusto raw ninyong ma-meet yung real Prince Hamdan Fasa, inaanyaya niya na i-click yung link para makausap si Prince Hamdan Fasa. Guys, don't trust. Bagong patibog nila yan para magkapira. Ginawa nilang lahat para makakuha ng pera sa mga inosenteng tao. Busog na ako. At inantok na rin. Kasi 3 AM na ako natulog kagabi. Nag-usap kami ni Mita. Ang bait ni Mita, may good morning pa sa akin. Pinagpagbardagolan ako, sabi ko, yan ba ang community standard nyo? That you want Facebook was safe for your community standard? You want Facebook safe? How become safe? A lot of dust. Sabi ko ganun. They are dirty. Sabi ko, hindi mo ba alam na ang Facebook ginawa nilang stepping stone ng mga scammer para dalhin yung mga biktima nila doon sa hangout nila sa Sadji, Telegram, Instagram, sa Twitter. Guys, marami din. Parang PPRD ba? Ginamit yung mga picture ni Pasa, mga profile. Pati ka pangalan, ginamit. Parang Duterte nga, ginamit to at least, hindi ng biktima na bili ka ng ganito. Ito talaga, bibiktimahin ka, bili ka ng ganito. Kung gusto mo silang makita, magbabayad ka. Yung card na ano ba yan? Ginoo ko, Maria E. Jose. Ang kapal talaga ng mga mukha. Sino ba yan si, Alejandro Pasa? Siya ba si God? Hindi ko lang alam kung bakit. So guys, yung babae na nag-share sa akin na she lost 34,000 for this Fasa Love scam. I will make a screen video record and I will post it in the app. Okay? I put in the app later. Okay? Because later I will download this live video and then I edit. I added a screen video record of that lady, but I want to remove his his name and her profile for her safety. So okay. So guys, thank you so much for watching, for your support. Like and share, sabay-sabay tayo. Like and share, and visit also my YouTube channel, RSS Rose Farm Blog or Rose13185. Thank you and good afternoon. And again, happy Mother's Day to all nanay sa buong mundo. Kasi kung wala ang nanay natin, wala tayo ngayon. 'Di ba? Yung mga anak natin, kung wala tayo ng mga nanay, yung mga anak natin, wala din. So, ganun lang talaga, tulong-tulong. So, bye-bye. Bye-bye, bye-bye. See you next time sa aking live video. O sino itong humabol, i-shout out kita. Ayan. Ito ang number one followers ko. Ano na siya, oh? Marami na itong sa akin. Yung marami na siyang Sis, na ako kasi parang inaantok na rin ako eh. Panoorin nyo na lang yan kasi gagawin ko rin ito. I-upload ko rin ito sa YouTube ko. Salamat sis. Happy Mother's Day to your mother. Kasi alam ko namang dalaga ka pa. So happy Mother's Day to your mother and to your sa mga kapatid mo na mga nanay na rin. So happy Mother's Day at maraming salamat. So, shout out again to Luningning Simbolan Belera. Siya yung walang sawang sumusuporta sa akin sa YouTube, sa TikTok, sa Facebook. Andito siya nakasubaybay sa akin. Maganda ito bigyan ng regalo. Pero wala akong sweldo sa Facebook eh, kasi hindi restricted nila ako eh. Pero ngayon, hindi ko na sila, yung mga basher ngayon guys, hindi ko na sila pinapatulad. Alam niyo kung bakit? Chine-check ko yung mga profiles nila. Aba, may ka-chat palang fake frasa. So, congratulations. Kala nila siguro may totoo yung ka-chat nila. Ang galing magsinungaling mga hinayupak na yan. Talagang madadala ka. Sabi nga ng kaibigan ko yung anyway, nagkaibigan lang kami. Dito lang din sa Facebook. Nung nakita niya yung post ko. Sobrang pasalamat niya talaga sa akin. Tapos yung video, gumawa ng video yung negro na Pakistan, 23 plus, sabi niya, ang galing talagang mambula. Nabula daw siya. Eh, syempre, wala ding asawa eh. Negros. Tapos, sabi niya, ingat-ingat na lang. Tapos, yun, gustong, nanghingi daw ng pera, yung negro na yun na, ang laki pa ng mata. Nanghingi daw ng pera kasi, kukuha siya ng passport. He want to go out that country. So, yan. Akala nyo, kachat nyo si Pasa. Ang gwapo. Ang galing mambula. Yun pala. Ang itim-itim na ang pangit. Kung mayroong ganon, wala na. Ano yan? Kung may horn, alam mo na kung sino. Diyos ko, Lord. Kaya ano yun? ingat-ingat na lang kayo. Pero sa sinabi ko na, if you want to try, you can try. Then, welcome to the club. Nantok na ko talaga guys. So guys, laningning simbulan. Ngayon ka lang dumating eh. Patapos na ako eh. Kasi may mga gagawin din ako. Gusto ko nang mahiga kasi nagtrabaho ako, naghanap ako ng pera. Every Sunday meron akong trabaho. So at least dagdag income na rin. Kahit konti lang, okay lang. Hindi tayo mag-demand. At least blessing yan kaysa nakaupo. O diba? So thank you guys. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Visit my YouTube channel. Ilagay ko dito mamaya yung channel ko, YouTube channel. RS is Rose Farm Vlog. Same name here in my Facebook. Kasi pinag-isa ko para hindi dito yung followers ko. Kung gusto nilang bisitahin ako kung gusto nilang bumisita sa YouTube, pwede yung i-click yung link ng i-add ko na rin yung link ko. Kung gusto niyo magpa-subscribe sa akin, subscribe ko rin kayo. YouTube. Meron akong 4,580 followers in YouTube. Pero, monetize na rin ako. Pero, hindi konti-konti lang. Since lang din ang kita ko. Pero, yun mo, 60 plus pa din yung kita ko doon. Halos mag-iisang taon na. Oh my God. Pero, hindi ko inaasahan yan. I just share my experience about these Prince Hamdan Fasa scammers all over social media. If you believe, hindi ka mag-swimming kasama itong na ito. Dahil wala talagang Prince Hamdan Fasa. May umamin na nga na doon sa Nigeria, meron silang boss. Yung scams nila, hindi na pupunta sa kanila. Sinisilduhan lang sila. So, okay? So, ang galing-galing nilang mambola. Siyempre, kung wala silang mabula, wala kang sweldo. Kahit naman siguro kung akong amo. Diba? So, ingat na lang kayo para mapataob ang mga scammer na ito. So, have a nice day and God bless you all. Bye-bye! See you in my next live.